Good afternoon, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Live from Bacoor City, Cavite, News TV now brings you the hottest 5-minute news update in sports. Philippines sweeps all 4 gold medals in obstacle race. Here's Miguel Isaiah Emiradora for the sports news update. Team Philippines completed a sweep of all 4 gold medals in obstacle racing at the 32nd Southeast Asian Games. Mervin Guarte, Aji Radan, Elias Tabak, and G.R. De Castro capped the nation's scintillating performance in the sport with a victory in the men's relay on Sunday. The Philippines obstacle race squad likewise topped the men's relay and women's individual 100 meters races the other day. By grabbing all the available golds, the country replicated its output in the 2019 SEA Games in Manila when the national obstacle racers went to 6 of 6. This is Miguel Isaiah Emiradora for the News TV reporting.